Ministry of Education should also up their money in terms of capitation so that schools can be built. And also, as we do bursary, there is that money from government which comes per student. That money should also be increased, because what I want to say is government should also be alive. The government is the one that increases prices of commodities. Government is the one that increases taxes. But then the same government should be alive to the fact that they have increased commodities, they have increased taxes. Usually they don't remember that. Prices of commodities will be expensive. The principals will be doing procurement, and when they procure services and goods, they are paying highly. So it means government also remember. Government, you increase, but you usually forget. Remember that you increased. Remember you increased commodities, prices. If you remember to increase capitation. In fact, tax alone, KRA comes and sweeps about 40 million out of the 180. The same government brings 180, then they just come through the back door through KRA and sweep 40. Eh? They give you with this hand, and they again take with this hand. And then another several millions again is taken away out of called housing. Again, it's another tax we have to pay for workers. Again, now there is the social health fund that is now huge again. Again, we have to pay. So as you increase the taxes, increase the money. Let it go in tandem. Mtu wako anajiita Bishop Titus Khamala. Huyo mtu ametengeneza Facebook ya uongo. Hata leo nimetoka polisi asubuhi. Saa moja nilikuwa polisi na OCS na watu wale wa upelelezi wa jinai. Na huyu mtu anapigia watu, hata alipigia waziri Penina jana. Anasema na niko na basari na unipe 5,000 nitakupa basari ya 20. Tunaandika watu kwa jeshi, nipe pesa nipeleke mtoto. Huyo ni tapeli. That is a con man.